Ras Al Khaimah is synonymous with beautiful nature, authentic culture and great ambitions. This New Year's Eve celebration in Ras Al Khaimah is truly special, not only because it's our biggest show yet, but also that every part of it has been orchestrated with so much heart and creativity.
This is the largest Ras Al Khaimah has ever seen. It's also the largest quantity of drones Sky Magic have ever flown in one form. So for us, it's really pushing the boundaries.
At Ruchi, there's over 150 people that are involved in this production. And that ranges from engineers, designers, but the biggest portion of that group are the pyrotechnicians. And they're all out there working very hard. We'll be ready.
In terms of scale, the fireworks stretch an incredible 6 kilometres across our coastline, which is going to create an incredible spectacle for our residents and visitors celebrating in and around Al Marjan Island and Al Hamra.
We are aiming to create a mythical creature which is over 400 metres across in its wingspan, and that is constituted of over 2,300 drones.
Well, this year we have a lot of dynamic movement because we do have a very horizontal but yet very wide and linear stage to work with. And how you arrange it, how you arrange the colors and the shapes and the movement, the dynamics is what makes the design unique year after year. For a New Year's Eve celebration, the show has to be a crescendo right specifically at midnight.
How do you sort of celebrate the birth of a new year and the passing of another? And what better than a phoenix rising from the ashes and taking us all aspirationally towards the heavens?
Over the past 7 years, our New Year's celebrations have achieved 13 Guinness World Record titles. These are great achievements, but what really matters most are the memories that people take home and the sense of joy that these celebrations deliver for residents and visitors alike.